All right, we're mounting lights. I got the rest of them here. I'm going 3 and 3, basically because I didn't really do it right buying these ones, but we're gonna roll with what we got. So 3 and 3. Anyway, got the first one, first mount marked right there. Now I gotta start laying them down that way. That is what I was looking for. Yup. Now I gotta put all the rest of them on. That's right. That's only 2. Are they a little bent? Yeah. Is that all right though? Because you're not gonna be able to see in the video? Yep. Okay, so yeah. It's not the straightest thing in the world, but at the same time, it's pretty straight. Looks so much better in here. So that is with one of the strips. And this is also why I wanted a black ceiling, because I just like the way it looks. The walls will eventually be probably all plywood because that's the cheapest option, and it's a garage at the end of the day, okay? I'm using it to work on vehicles. But that being said, I'm gonna throw another strip on that side, and that should really brighten it up, and that's really probably gonna be all I need. So this is what a budget-friendly ceiling paint and light install looks like. Not bad. That's gonna work great. I'm gonna actually hardwire something in and run it to a light switch over here. But for now, this is what we're working with. But this is exactly what I want. Oh my goodness. Alright, so here's what I'm thinking, right? Chevy grill. Above the door. Boom. Right there. Don't know where the Dodge one's gonna go. CR Performance banner. There. Dale Earnhardt banner, there. Chevy Racing flag, yup. Okay, I'm done looking around. So, basically, all in, right? The painting supplies with the paint was 75 bucks. The plywood, screws, all of that stuff, the bits that I needed, that was another $250. And then the lights were like 55 bucks from Amazon. So all in, we're at what? 250, 300, like about 400 bucks, $400 to $500 for basically the ceiling to be done. Definitely gonna wait a while for the walls because I live down here in the south, so, and I don't have electric out here enough to run an AC unit. I don't want to drain it like that, so we're not gonna do that quite yet. But I got lights, and birds can't poop on my stuff, and I'm not gonna get wet. That's really all I need for now. So I'm really excited. We're gonna get this place decorated, get all my tools sorted, and get cleaned. I gotta clean stuff. I still gotta clean the rest of the floor. I swept that part. Never got to this part. So, yeah. But this, we're good here. All right. See you guys next time.